Hi everyone, this is Sheikh Mastan Wali from Janssen Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. So today we are going to see about the climate friendly and resilient cities in the world. So the world is facing many severe effects by the climatic changes which are caused by the global warming. So few cities in our country and other countries have taken steps to come out of that effects. So let's see what are the countries and what are they following. The first one is Fukuoka in Japan. How is Fukuoka adapting to climate resiliency? In Fukuoka, urban green spaces probably play a bigger role in reducing extreme heat events than do in mitigating events. These urban green spaces include the terraced gardens on the roof of the Green Park buildings and across Fukuoka Prefectural International Hall. These green spaces help reduce the temperature of their immediate surroundings. Over the last decade or so, the government, in collaboration with the local universities and research institutes, has also tried to build a better scientific understanding of where the hottest areas in the city are and of how effective different types of urban green space as can be in imitating urban heat island effects. The city plan includes surveying how wind flows through the city to determine where it would be best to plant trees and maintain parks. There are green spaces and can also absorb water runoff during periods of intense rainfall. The city has also encouraged its residents to grow green plant walls on the sides of their homes for cooling purpose and to reduce green costs. Now let's look about Chicago in USA. How is Chicago, USA adapting the climate resilience? Chicago makes the list of two reasons primarily due to its climate preparedness. Being an early adopter of green stormwater infrastructure, developing urban vertical farms. In 2014, under their mayor Rahm Emanuel, the city developed $50 million 5-year green stormwater infrastructure plan with the aim of reducing basement flooding and water pollution and improving environmental quality and climate resilience. Some of the key features of this plan include capturing, storing, and filtering water through green techniques rather than channeling it into storm drains, investing in permeable or more water absorbent pavement to reduce flooding, compiling rainfall frequency data so officials can better predict flooding. The next one is Rotterdam in Netherlands. How is Rotterdam adapting the climate resilience? City leaders have increasingly turned to waterproofing measures such as elevating buildings to increase Rotterdam's resiliency and against urban flooding. Some of these more intriguing waterproofing measures include growing plant along railway to absorb flooding and reduce heat, developing water squares that can absorb rainfall and ease the trees on sewage system. So let's look at the city in India. The city is Ahmedabad. So how is Ahmedabad adapting to climate resilience? In 2013, city leaders developed the Ahmedabad Heat Action Plan to warn vulnerable populations that are most at risk of heat related illnesses. A 2018 study found that plant prevented an additional 1,190 deaths each year due to heat related illnesses. Another innovation aspect of the plan is the city's cool roofs initiative. The entails using eco-friendly building materials such as coconut husk and paper waste and cheap white paint to deflect sunlight away from buildings. This keeps residents cool. Cool roofs reduce indoor temperature lower by 3.6 to 9 degree Fahrenheit. A few other areas in India such as Telangana have already followed suit and begun adopting similar cool roof measures. So let's come to the conclusion. At present, major cities in many countries are facing the climate changes due to the global warming. While we take steps to prevent our Earth from the dangerous climate changes, so further cities above mentioned are taking some steps to prevent the upcoming effects and for curing the happened damage to the world's climate. We have to save climate for saving our Earth. Thank you.